Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Coding loops are tricky, but we can quickly find which segment prints 9 down to 1. Let's solve this together.
Look at option C where we start with 10. The while loop checks if 10 is greater than 1. Since it is, we immediately decrement the number to 9 and print.
The loop continues this pattern perfectly. It subtracts 1 before each print statement, so the sequence starts at 9 and goes down. This order is the key to getting the result. Finally, when the number reaches 2, it decrements to 1 and prints. Then the condition fails. That makes option C our final winner. Let's go!
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps carefully.